Hi everyone, thank you for joining me again today. I am bringing you a quick video on how to get the high-end look of vessels in your space. I just watched a few YouTube videos actually, and matte black is the color for the season. It is the color for 2021. A dear friend of mine would say it was the color in 2019 when she renovated her house. She has matte black everywhere. It looks absolutely beautiful. But regardless, matte black is where it's at. And you can definitely get the look of high-end vessels in your space. I am going to show you a few here that I am using to create my dupes, if that's what you want to call them. Are ranging in price from $75 all the way up to over $300. And I personally am not willing to pay that for a vessel. In my mind, it's just going to sit there and collect dust, and it cost me $300. But maybe if you can afford a $300 bowl or vessel, you can also afford a maid to dust your space. Who knows? Anyways, it's a quick video. I'm literally using 1 can of matte black spray paint by Krylon for every single piece. And I have over 11 varieties to show you. In this video, I'm only going to show you 10, and then I'll show some more, maybe more than 11. Yeah, maybe more than 11. I'll show you in my Instagram page. I'll post it there. My Instagram handle should pop up now. My Instagram handle is @flutteringthrough, so please make sure to follow me there. Like I said in my last video, when I did my Valentine's Day setup and my Galentine's Day setup, I am much more inclined to post on my Instagram page. It's a little faster and easier. And I know I'm supposed to be bringing you interior design, right? I am working with 3 clients right now, and getting furniture delivered is holding us up. I have one client whose couch isn't coming for 3 months, and we ordered it in January, so it won't be here till March at this juncture, mid-March, maybe end of March. And then I have another client who just ordered a high boy or a standing dresser for her bedroom, and it won't be here until May. And she's picking it up, which is crazy to me. So there are naturally delays in the warehouses with the workers. It just is what it is, right? This is the world we live in right now due to COVID, and we just have to get there when we get there. So I'm happy to present those projects to you when they are finished. It's just going to take some time due to delays. And I'll probably show you some more things in my house. I have a small issue with my main floor bathroom. I'm just chatty Cathy today. It is what it is. And there is a blockage, and I have a feeling I'm probably going to have to rip out the bathroom because the previous owner did a quick flip on this house. And I knew, there would be some issues and some things that would cost money as far as making changes and updates were concerned. But this is an unexpected change, but welcomed. I took some time and I calmed down from the initial shock of what was going on in my bathroom and with my washing machine. And now I have potentially the opportunity to redesign the entire space. So I'm here for it at this juncture. I'm just go with the flow, right? Literally go with the flow. So hopefully I'll be able to show you some of that project and what's going on. And if you guys are interested, let me know. Do you want me to discuss the woes of home ownership and being a first-time home buyer and some of the things you might have to deal with, especially when you purchase an older home that has been flipped by a previous owner. I didn't buy a new house. I didn't want a new house. If I had the money, I probably would have bought a plot of land in the city and built from the ground up. That's like probably my dream. And I'll cross that line many years from now, who knows? But let me know, do you want me to discuss home ownership, some of the things I've gone through and learned in my almost 6-month journey now. 6 months in home ownership. It's insane. And there's been plenty of problems along the way. It's truly, truly been a journey, let me tell you. But anyways, we're going to get into these vessels. They're very popular. Restoration Hardware has some that are more detailed. They have more of a rustic, antique look where they're more textured, and I've seen people who will recreate them with maybe a thrift store find, and they'll spray them with the matte black paint and then rub dirt on them after they've coated them with mastic or caulking of some kind to create that texture. And that's a great idea for getting that high-end look without the high-end price. I'm happy to show you some of that as well. I actually live close to Restoration Hardware, and their outlet's not too far from me too. So also let me know in the comments, do you want to do some walkthrough videos? I know a lot of people do them. I don't know how interested you are in them, but believe me, I stay in the store, so I'm happy to take you along with me. So yeah, Restoration Hardware is one place where you can definitely get the look of high-end vessels, or create a dupe rather, of their high-end vessels. And the same thing with this. With this video, I'm going to show you vessels that are at CB2 right now. I actually think they have some in color, like pops of orange or red. Gold is, of course, is very popular, but matte black is even more so popular this year. And so CB2, West Elm, some other high-end stores who will be shown in the video. I'll show some of their vessels, and the pricing of those vessels, like I said, some of them are over $300, and you know the vessels at Restoration Hardware are even more than that. And I'm not willing to pay that price, so I just wanted to do a quick DIY, and I got such a variety of options from this project. It was great, actually. So I hope I inspire you today. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And you can skip through all my chattiness, I promise. But like, share, subscribe, and now we can get started. So starting here, you see some of the vessels. The pricing is at the very bottom. That was $80. I believe this one is $310, and this one should be about $75. All very high end prices. Oh, that was $170. Sorry, this one's the $75 one. And then we're gonna show you how I put the pieces together. Sorry, I cannot talk today, you guys. This is the galvanized metal planter from Dollar Tree. I did take off the rope, and I used some Goo Gone to get off the remaining residual aspects of the rope. And here is the paint that I used to spray paint them, and I just went to town spray painting everything. Super easy project. I did 2 coats of paint, and now everything is dry, and here are some of the options that I came up with. So the moss balls are from At Home. They're about $12.99 for a pack of 12. So just a hair over $1. And the gold apples are actually from Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? I bought them last year, and I've been using them in this vessel or bowl I bought from the Macy's kitchen section. It's actually a pasta bowl, so it works great just for display. Thank you all for joining me again. I hope you know I got all my products from the Dollar Tree. So it was very inexpensive, and you can just pick one or two of your favorites and spend maybe $3 on the product as opposed to over $300 on the product. And my spray paint I got at Lowe's. I know any local hardware store carries matte black spray paint. I do recommend the Krylon brand just because it adheres to the plastic better, and it did really well with the galvanized metal of the planter from Dollar Tree as well. So again, like, share, subscribe, and thank you for joining me. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.